already received our cake from Maxis. It's their 80th anniversary, so we're going to unbox the cake that they sent. Thank you so much. Looks rich. I don't see this often at the stores. Maybe this is a limited edition. So we're gonna cut it. Taste it. Tanya. So, my daughter will take the first bite. Ah! Tell me. So, is it good? Is it good, Tanya? Talk!
I like it.
You like it. Sarap. This tastes like crema de fruta. This one. Tanya? Film me. I'm here. Okay, so how does it taste like, Tanya?
It's
Say
very
something positive.
it's very flavorful.
Oh, let me taste it. Pineapple. It's different, but it's very light. So, we love dining at Maxis because of the lutong bahay. And just a little trivia, our family started at Maxis because that's where my dad and mom's wedding reception back in 1975 happened. And right now, they're also opening their doors and prioritizing weddings. And you should inquire because weddings at Maxis is not just your ordinary wedding anymore. Yeah. So thank you for this, Maxis, and let's enjoy the cake.